Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, today we are in the kitchen, which means I am gonna share with you a delicious recipe. This one is healthier because spring and summer is around the corner and it is also super easy to make and super fresh, but it feels like a treat. It is my favorite go-to salad. Stop right there, I know what you're thinking. Salads are so boring. Not this salad and not this salad from this Italian girl. So stay with me, we're gonna go over which ingredients you need. Of course, you can substitute everything to make it for your dietary restrictions. And let's get started. For this amazing recipe, you are gonna need 4 cups of fresh spinach. And this is for 2 servings. You can, of course, double it up or half size it for 1 person. You are gonna need some peaches. If you can find fresh peaches, that's the best. These are natural peaches in the can, organic, and I do about 4 slices per serving. If you were to use real peaches, do a half a peach per serving. Then we're gonna use 1 mozzarella di bufala, and we're gonna cut it in 4-quart, and it's gonna have 2 pieces on each salad. Or you can have it all to yourself. Here you can also substitute for vegan mozzarella if that's more your thing. For 2 people, you're gonna need about 10 little sweet cherry tomatoes or more to your liking. I like to put about 5 per servings and I like to cut them. And then you're gonna need some prosciutto di Parma if you eat meat. If not, you can substitute with something else or just omit this ingredient. This is prosciutto di Parma. For 2 people, it's 4 slices, but we're not gonna put it in there just like this, so stay tuned. You're gonna need some balsamic vinegar from Modena is better, a really good quality Italian olive oil, some salt, I like to use pink Himalayan, some pepper, and you're also gonna need a balsamic glaze. For this recipe, I can't stress enough the freshness of the ingredients. Organic is better because everything is pretty much fresh. So it's gonna make a big difference in your salad if you can find little organic cherry tomatoes, organic spinach, a good quality olive oil. Of course, you know, it's simple, so you want to really maximize that natural flavor. Let's get started with the steps to put together this salad. Now that we made our little prosciutto flowers, we're gonna put them in a toaster oven at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes, depending how crunchy you want them, and just keep an eye on them so you don't burn them. While we're waiting for the prosciutto to finish roasting, the mozzarella goes back in the fridge because we like it nice and chilled. However, the tomatoes and the peaches are gonna stay out because when tomatoes are at room temperature, they release the sweetness and the flavor is a lot more intense. I never store my tomatoes in the fridge. We're now getting ready to make our Italian vinaigrette, which really in Italy all it is, it's olive oil, vinegar, salt and pepper. And what I do to really mix it nicely for this salad, I actually use a little matcha mixer. I feel it's fantastic for making any sort of dressing. So let's get started with that. It smells amazing. Our prosciutto has been crunched, and now we're just gonna put the salad together. This is gonna give you all the flavors. You're gonna have the sweetness from the tomatoes as well as from the peaches or strawberries. You're gonna have the saltiness from the prosciutto and the crunchiness and the smoothness of the mozzarella. And it's good for you because it has spinach as well. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you try this. You can even serve it with a slice of toasted bread. I like it just like this. But let me know if you make it. Tag me at Dear Annalisa J on Instagram and let me know what is your favorite salad or your favorite spring food down in the comments below. I will see you next week right here with a brand new video, and don't forget to do all the things, like, share, subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.